How to fix Play Store install button not working easy and fast. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps and go then to apps manager right here. And now all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just search for Play Store right here as you can see and click on it, and now click on this permissions option, and you can now disable all the permissions that you have here, and then go back, click on storage and click on clear data and clear cache, and then go back and go to uh, your home page and restart your phone, and then reopen Play Store and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.